Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 151. And today is a Sunday. We got our earnings on Friday, which I will show you here. We go to the Finance tab. Okay. All right, so Friday we got 0.41. That was the percentage that we made for that day. And on my two investments that I have running, if you take that amount and add it to that amount together, that's $93.81. So that's how much I made on Friday, guys. So we're still rocking along here in our 30-day cycle for our investments for S Group, S Forex account. So we are now, we gotta go to S Forex. There we go. So as you see, guys, I'm 23 days in my 30-day cycle. So I have about 7 more days left, which is right next weekend my investment will expire. So I'm at $1,293.12, guys. That's my total earnings I've made in 23 days, basically. So this is going to run out July 16th. As you see, today is July 9th. So I got about another week, guys, left. What that'll happen is, since I have these two toggle switches in the off position, that means the money that I'm going to be making from the monthly income, which is this amount right here, added with this amount right here, which is a total of this amount right here, $1,293.12. Whatever that amount will be by next weekend, it's going to shoot up to the top right. And then at that point, I will have that money. I'll have access to the money, so I can do whatever I want with it, reinvest it. I have another member, a team member underneath me, and he actually sent me some money. So I'm going to send him the equivalent in American funds, because we're up in Canada. I'm going to send him that equivalent conversion to him in the back office, and then he'll have that money so he can make an investment. Which is kind of what I want to do, guys. I want to encourage my team members to build their account, because not only will they make more money, but they'll also build up my team turnover. As if I go over to the careers page here, you will actually see the amount I have left for my team turnover. So I need $13,421, guys. Oh, there we go. So once I have, or actually once my team it makes investments of this amount of money, I will get a bonus of $2,000, guys. So that should come through in the next few months. So when that'll happen, I'm not too sure. To see how my team members are for building up their accounts. But also, since the last video, they implemented S4X Prime. I think you might have seen it when I had this page here. There we go. S4X Prime, guys. So don't know too much about this, but I do understand that the investment level that you can start off with is very low, which here is $80. I believe it's $80 or $20. Well, it says SWCT, so not too sure, but you can make an investment, and apparently these investments run every 7 days. You have access to the funds, something like that. So I don't know too much about this. I will get more information on it as time goes on, but it's another way to make money in S Group, guys. So now they have S4X, Forex Optimal, which is the medium risk, S4X Pro, which is the high risk, and then S4X Prime. So that's just another way you can make money in this group, guys. So as you see, all in all, my principal here is $27,400. By next weekend, I hope to have this at $28,200, maybe even $28,400. I might put $1,000 in there depending on the week. If we have an insane week, and I'm able to get this monthly earnings plus this bonus amount, so which I'm like about basically 1363, I should say. So if once these two combine, if they get around like 1800, I'll just take 1,000. I'll just dump it back in, and then I can grow my account quicker. I'll make some more money. I'm going to take that amount, combine it with this amount, so I have this running. So yeah, guys, I just getting to the end of my 5-minute daily review video. I just want to make this quick video to show my update. Next weekend will be exciting. I'm going to be growing my principal, so you'll see that. in the videos to come towards the end of the week. Don't forget to click on the sign up button down below if you want to join this group, if you want to be part of this passive income opportunity. It's definitely changed my life. I like to see it change your lives as well, guys. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see my progress. So my goal here is to get this total deposit principal. I want to get this at 30,000 by September. That's kind of my goal, guys. So we're in July, so that should be attainable. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.